Today we'll be running through what to expect when you receive your rubber roof order. I'll be going through each of the items and all the packages, making sure everything's there, what to expect and what each item's used for. So the order we've got with us today is for a flat roof extension, so the majority of the items that I'll be running through you'll almost certainly need in your own order. So when you order, you'll get 3 types of packages. You'll get the membrane itself, you'll get a box or 2 depending on the size of the membrane that contains all your adhesives, tapes and any tools that you've ordered, and you'll also get a box of trims which contain all your flashing trims and your edging trims. So starting with the membrane, this will come in wrapping just to protect it during transit. So first of all we've got the membrane, then we've got the water base and the contact adhesive. Your water base is for the main deck and then the contact is for your 6-inch perimeter and any upstands that you've got. Then we've got 2 little corner patches. So these are used where anywhere you need to put a cut in the rubber or you've got any weak points. So if this was an extension roof, you've put this at the back where the roof meets the wall, after the rubber goes down the fascia and the rubber comes up the wall. Then we've got the little tin of primer. This is for the target area where you're going to put these patches. So anywhere them patches are going to be, that primer needs to go first and you need to allow that to go dry after you've put it on. Then we've got 2 little shore edge corners. They just finish the corners nicely after you've put the curb trims and the gutter trims on. They meet on those corners just to finish that off. Toolkit, so that's just everything you need to install. You've got rollers, a big one and a mini roller, seam roller scissors and a brush. Tube of black mastic, that's for the top of your wall trim. So after you've installed the wall trim, you put a bead of that over the top, that just seals it against the wall. Obviously this is a garden room, so we wouldn't normally use wall trims. If it was an extension, you'd need these on the back wall. If you had your own LED flashing or something similar there, then you wouldn't need these. They are actually black, they've just got a grey covering on just to protect them, so peel them off and they're black. Next we've got the curb trim, so these are just for where you need an upstand on the edge of your roof, so they've got little foam compression upstands on just to stop the water going underneath. So you'll just put them on the side of the roof and it just creates a little upstand like that after you've put the rubber on. And then we've got the gutter trim, so that's a 2-part trim. So you put the back plate on first, the smaller one with the chamfered edge pointing upwards. The rubber goes over that and then the front plate goes on. And next in the trim boxes you'll get 2 little orange bags at the top. Just make sure you don't throw that box away without taking them orange bags out, because they've got all your fixings and joining clips in. So I hope the installation goes well. Don't forget we're only on the end of the phone if you do need us. Like and subscribe for more videos.